In this video, we will learn branching, merging, and pull requests. So currently we are in the master branch. If you look at the bottom right, you will see we are in the master branch. Let's say you were asked to make some changes and you are asked to make changes in a different branch. First, we need to look into how we can make a new branch. We can do it two ways. You can always go click on the bottom right and it says new branch here, or you can also go to Team Explorer, go to the branches option and just say new branch. So we can name this branch whatever you want, bug, a feature. Let's call ours a feature 1 and then click create branch. Now we saw it, we automatically switch to feature 1 branch. So whatever changes we make now are in the feature 1 branch. So you can also see on the bottom right that we are in the feature 1 branch. So let's make a new property. Int age, save it, and then let's commit this. Let's call it another property. Then commit it. Also now we need to sync it back to the server. So this feature branch exists now on our computer, but it doesn't exist on the server. So if you want, we can always sync it back to the server. Now let's see how we can do a pull request. Let's say your organization says that you need to send a pull request into the master branch so that you can share your changes with all other developers in your organization. So for that, we have to go back to our Git repository. In that, go to your repo. Here now you'll see we have 2 branches already. If you see on the left hand side, you'll see an option called pull request. So you can create a new pull request here. We want to say, I want to do a pull request from feature 1 into master branch. Put in whatever details you want here and add whoever we want to review. I don't have many users in my Git repo, so I'm just gonna send it to myself. And then you can have a work item if you want here, and just all you have to do is hit create. If you look into pull requests, if you send it to another person, if you go, he should get an email. Normally you get an email saying that somebody requested a pull request into the master branch here, or that person can go into his pull request. He can check what was assigned to him, can go into that pull request, check the files, and see what the changes are. If he's happy with it, if he's not happy with it, he can always make a comment which will inform the original developer about the concerns, or if he's happy with the change, all he has to do is hit complete. There's an option here, additional option saying delete feature 1 after merging. You can also do that. Complete the merge. And that's it. That completes the pull request. Now all the changes from feature 1 should have made into the master branch. If you want to check, go on the left side Let's check the branches, master. Let's see if our property made it. We made that in the account.cs file, and we see that the property which we added in the feature 1 branch is now successfully pulled into the master branch. Now let's see how we can do merging. Pull request is one way to pull changes into another branch, but we can actually do this using merging. This depends on organization. So let's switch back to Visual Studio. Feature 1 still exists locally because we didn't delete it locally. We can choose to delete it locally. Right now I choose not to delete it. I'm just going to switch to the master branch. You can see in the bottom, I'm right now in the master branch. We can quickly pull all the changes which have been pulled into the master branch so that we have the latest. Here, let's create a new branch, called it feature 2. You can see now we're in feature 2. Let's add another property to my class. Called Miles. Now let me just quickly commit it. Add Miles. Here I don't even have to sync it. So to merge, let me go to merge branches, and then I can do a merge request. So in order to merge into master, first we need to go into master. So the way we do it is right click on master and just click checkout. Now we see we're in the master branch. You can see that on the bottom too. And now we can pick the master. Merge. From merge, we can say I want to merge from feature 2 into master. I can just say commit changes after merging, and that's it. So now we are in the master branch. Double click the account. We can see that Miles has been added to our account class. In order to verify it, just go into the account, view history. We are still in the master branch, and we have this property commit history called added Miles, which actually came from feature 2 branch. And then now sync this back to the server. If we go to our online repo, we can now see that Miles has been added to our account. These are just the basics of Git. This is just to show that we can totally work with Git using Visual Studio. The Git support in Visual Studio is second to none, and we don't need any new clients to work with Git. If you need any more concepts which you want me to cover using Git, you can totally comment below and I will try to get to it. In the meantime, thanks for watching.